Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your Serpentine belt on a second gen Toyota Vios. In the United States, it's a Toyota Yaris 2009 to 2012. So all you're going to need is a 13 mil, a long pry tool, and of course your new Serpentine belt. So I'm going to set you on the pod, and then we're going to begin. Alright, sorry, I'm at 12. So we're going to loosen this bolt. And then we're going to slide the alternator back, as so, and then just pull off the belt. Let's slide it back because it's hitting the engine mount. And on my Toyota Yaris, it doesn't have the power steering accessory on the engine. It's electronic. So some 1NZ-FE models, they have a power steering pump. On mine, it don't. So now we're gonna slide this back in. That's it's gonna quit. And while I'm repositioning mine, I'm gonna show a diagram so you know how it goes right back on. Alright, and then once we got that, we're gonna pull the alternator back. Make sure there's some tension. And some of y'all, if you don't feel comfortable doing it the way I'm doing it with my hand and pulling, that's where you can use the long pry tool. Stick it right behind the alternator as so, and then put it right here against the alternator and pull back, and then start tightening this. So I'm gonna pull it forward with my hand, and then I will start tightening it. And that's it. So now we're gonna start the car. And there you go. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.